If you've owned an analog watch before, then obviously setting the timing down will be second nature to you. But we have our calls and customers who are unsure how to do this. And so this video is for people who've not owned an analog watch before. Now, first of all, when you receive the device, you'll probably have one of these clips in place. What that does stops the watch from turning on in the post and using more battery than necessary. It might not be there, but it probably will be. If it is, you'll need to remove this first, and you'll no longer need this because it's only for packaging reasons. If there isn't one of those there and your watch is currently working like this, then you'll need to first pull the spindle out, and then that pauses the time. It's a case of then just moving the hands to the correct time, and once that's located, you push that back in again, and you'll see now the second hand will start working and the time will be kept. So now obviously if you push that back in and the second hand doesn't work, then it's most likely the battery is flat and you'll need to change it, which we've included instructions on how to do that too.